What's that?
Fun is when you... Fun is... It's like... It's kind of... Sort of like a... What is fun? Like... Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. Use for uranium. Bombs. N is for no survivors. When you...
Like done. Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff.
Never. That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere at any time at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Can we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay. F is for friends